here is the actual watch. Let me take this out so you guys can get a close-up. So here it is. This is a Rolex Datejust 2 with the black face, the fluted bezel. Very clean watch overall. But let's go ahead and start talking about why I got this watch and what it means to me. And what I've been able to see is that me buying cool cars or showing, traveling, that motivates a lot of young people to go out and actually start their own businesses, or at least try to make money online. But as time went on, I was able to see, people were wearing Rolex watches. I was like, wow, the big business people were wearing these. That's pretty awesome. Yup, that's me. 7 months ago, I bought that watch. I just saw a couple of the reasons you saw. You can go watch the full videos way back on my channel. But the reasons I bought it was because, one, I thought that it motivated younger people to do good things in this world. And two, because I saw other business people wearing a Rolex and I decided that I wanted one, which are the completely wrong reasons to why I actually should have bought that watch. It was a liability. I bought it and it had just been sitting there since then. I've worn it maybe 3 or 4 times, but I actually lost $2,000 on that watch selling it yesterday. Now I know a lot of you guys don't really care about maybe watches or all the materialistic stuff, and I've come to realize that myself, that things attached to emotions are gonna provide a lot more motivation and discipline for you long term. But one of those things right now, it's 1:46 a.m. on a Friday night, and I've just been sitting here in my little desk in my living room working. I don't have a bunch of fancy furniture and stuff like that. I see there's an air mattress right there. I actually have a bedroom. This is for when people come over. Basic desk, basic chair from Walmart, and nothing super crazy. And that watch was like one of those things that I just saw a bunch of other business people have had, so I thought that I needed one in order to be credible and to be even more successful, which I was completely wrong. One thing that I did when I was on my 3-month break learning more about myself, I bought this. One of my good friends, Yanni, he owns Foodie Fetish on Instagram. He told me to get this Fitbit watch. It costs about 120 bucks. And it's probably the best 120 bucks I've ever spent in my life. And that is because this watch right here is only $120, which is a fraction of what the Rolex costs. But actually, I wear it every single day, and I'm not scared about breaking or anything like that. And it actually helps benefit my life because it tracks my activity and how many steps I'm getting. And me and him and some other people, we compete to see who can get the most steps in a single day. So I wear that every single day, and it helps promote physical activity. And just overall, it's beneficial for my life. And I'm not worried about it, like I said, compared to wearing a Rolex. So, when you're buying these types of things, you have to think of them as a trade-off. The Rolex, what is the trade-off of buying an $8,000 watch? I'm gonna look cool, people are gonna notice I'm wearing a Rolex. What is the main benefit of it? It doesn't necessarily have a core purpose. Everything I'm doing now and things that I'm doing in the future or that I plan on doing, they all have a reason and an end goal. And I think that for you to succeed in anything or just to feel happy and fulfilled, you need to have an end goal for any action you're taking. What is your end goal of eating a bunch of junk food all the time? I'm sure you don't want to feel like crap all the time and be super overweight. And those are some of the things that I sort of realized. And the trade-off for this watch right here, I spent 120 bucks on it. And the trade-off that I received is, I have a cool little watch I can wear, but it tracks my activity and forces me to be more active and burn more calories and track all that stuff, which, like I said, makes me feel better. And it's like a little competition with my friends. So what I want to tell you guys for this video is, for every single decision you are making, think of the trade-off of your time, the money you're spending, whatever it is. What are you getting out of it? What is the end goal? Determine that, and I guarantee you're gonna have a lot more of a feeling of fulfillment and happiness in your life for everything you're doing, and you'll achieve more goals. You attach emotions to things instead of materialistic stuff. So I could drag this video out forever and talk, but I'm not gonna do that. This is one of the longer episodes, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Some of my late night thoughts, and I'll see you tomorrow morning for the next video. I'm gonna be going into some e-com stuff again. Hopefully you enjoyed yesterday's video, but yeah, if you enjoyed this one, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.